Hello everybody, so today I want to talk about calculus. The topic today is about differential equations. So now I want to show you how to answer. So I will put this one go to the right. Later that we divide both sides by s squared plus 4. Next, I will put the integration for the both sides. So, we know that number 4 that is about 2 square. So we apply this formula in here. So for this one, we have like this. So number 4 divided by number 2, we have number 2. The integration of dy, we have y with the negative, and I will put about c. Or we can put this one go to the left, this one go to the right. And now we have the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.